So I'm currently working in Singapore. Coming to Singapore meant I had to put a beginner's mindset on. I had to learn how decisions were made, what was important. So for example, in Singapore, the ability to build a country in 60 years means that there is, as a product designer, this immense opportunity and belief that you can build anything, even if it looks impossible.
The majority of my life I've grown up in Sydney, Australia, and I've been very fortunate to actually learn from some of the best design minds in our country. I feel that in Australia and in the JPAC region, we have so many great role models and an opportunity to learn from each other. Really being a citizen of the world means that actually you can intermingle and work with lots of people in many different countries, which is wonderful.
Designing for India is like designing for many countries. The user base is so diverse. We come from various backgrounds. We speak multiple languages. There's a nuance in every aspect, in every area.
We can make things very functional, but also beautiful and enjoyable to use at the same time. Something you're going to want to come back to day, something that's, when you use it, you feel happy instead of like, oh yes, I have to pay my bills again on this app. As long as you understand the customer, you'll be able to create something that they'll love.
Figma helps us work better together by allowing connections across disciplines. Designers can now work more effectively, more collaboratively. We can share with non-design disciplines in a way to get feedback. And what that's doing for us is it's changing the way that people engage with designs, engage with our prototypes, engage with our products, and it's changing the conversations we can have.